better than what I had before. So what time is it now? 6:52. Time flies, man. Let's check that again without the pencil lines. Yes, I think I like that better than what I had before. So I've been, I think I already mentioned this. Todd McFarlane. Todd McFarlane's comic book layouts. So if you remember comic books from the 80s, from the 1980s, square, static layouts, the squares were always in the same place. They never moved. It was 4 equal-sized rectangles. And then I didn't realize how influential Todd McFarlane was to comic layouts. Like something like this kind of layout never would have happened before Todd McFarlane. It would have been a grid. So I've been studying more Todd McFarlane to be able to use in my layouts. So we will see how that works out in the future. Sunshine Games Candy Day. The church here goes to the town and hands out bowls of chili. Candy Day? Candy Day. Chili? I'll take both. I'll take the candy and the chili. I'm a fan of both. All right, it's 6:55, people. It's about that time. It's about that time to raid out. And I already know where we're going. Oh, my Discord. Hold on. Did it work? Did that command work? It probably didn't, because it never does. Hold, please. It's not like I'm trying to keep people away from my Discord. It's been a long time since I've done this. Invite people. Here we go. Invite. Oh, thank you for your first time chat. What is your preferred translation choice? I have been reading the NIV ever since a long time ago. Ever since I was 24. And how long ago was that? You be the judge. It was not yesterday. So everything that every time that I quote the Bible from my memory, it comes out NIV. Except when I try to pray the Lord's Prayer, that always comes out KJV, because I always learned that from a very young age. The nearly inspired version, ooh, I see what you did there. What is your version of choice? Okay, so how do I... Okay, invite link. Generate new link. What am I doing? I used to have a mod. I knew how to do this a long time ago. So Scannion, what is your Discord, please? I don't know why mine's not working. I don't know how I did it before. I'm clicking on invite people. Invite friends to Artsy Bible Nerds server. Oh, here it is. I found it. Boom. There's the link. Phew. That was an ordeal. All right, here we go. Let's raid out. Please use my raid command. Feel free to copy and paste that from my chat into the new chat. And we're going to go to Let's See with Pastor G. Let's See with Pastor G is a friend of a friend. He's a friend of Flat Cap Dapper Pastor. So let's go take a look at let's go see with Pastor G. I'll be back here on Thursday night from 5:30 to 7 o'clock p.m. Let's start the raid. All right, here we go. I'll be back here on Thursday, 5:30 to 7. And until then, may the Lord be with you. Peace. Rating now.